A spreadsheet is a software application used to organize, analyze, and manage data in a tabular format made up of rows and columns. It allows users to input text, numbers, and formulas to perform calculations, create charts, and analyze data using functions, filters, and pivot tables. Spreadsheet software supports data formatting, automation through macros, and collaboration in cloud-based versions. Common examples include Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and Apple Numbers. A database is a software system used to store, manage, and retrieve structured data efficiently. It organizes data in tables made up of rows and columns and allows users to perform operations such as adding, updating, deleting, and querying data, often using SQL. Database software ensures data accuracy, security, and supports multiple users, making it ideal for managing large volumes of information. Common types include relational databases like MySQL and Oracle. An applet is a small, lightweight software program, typically written in Java, designed to run within a web browser or another host application to perform specific, interactive tasks like animations or form validation. It is platform independent and runs in a secure, restricted environment to protect the system. While applets were once widely used for adding functionality to web pages, they have largely become obsolete due to security concerns. System software controls and manages computer hardware, enabling application software to run effectively. The operating system OS acts as the main interface between users and hardware. It handles system resources and supports the execution of other programs. Device drivers help the OS communicate with hardware like printers and keyboards. Utility programs handle maintenance tasks such as file management and virus scanning. An expert system diagnoses a patient's illness by using a knowledge base of medical information and an inference engine that applies logical rules to match the patient's symptoms with known diseases. The doctor inputs symptoms through a user interface, and the system analyzes the data to suggest possible diagnoses. It may ask further questions to refine its conclusions and often provides explanations for its reasoning, helping doctors make informed decisions about the patient's condition. An expert system can produce an incorrect diagnosis if its knowledge base is incomplete, outdated, or inaccurate, or if it receives faulty or incomplete data from the user. Ambiguities in symptoms, insufficient or biased rule sets, and over-reliance on pattern recognition can also lead to misdiagnosis. Additionally, if the system isn't updated to reflect new medical knowledge or encounters rare conditions that don't fit common patterns, it may fail to diagnose the illness correctly. Live data refers to real, active information that is generated and used in real time within an operational environment. In the case of a customer database, it includes actual customer details such as names, contact information, and transaction histories, which are continuously updated and utilized in day-to-day business activities. Using live data for testing ensures the database can handle real-world scenarios, providing a more accurate assessment of its performance and functionality. Using live data to test a customer database can lead to several issues, including privacy and security risks, ethical concerns, and potential data corruption. It may expose sensitive customer information without consent, violate privacy laws, and affect system performance by placing unnecessary load on the database. Additionally, it increases the risk of accidental data exposure and non-compliance with regulations. A test strategy is a high-level plan that outlines the overall approach to testing a software system, such as a customer database. It defines the testing objectives, scope, types of tests to be conducted, roles and responsibilities, testing tools, success criteria, and risk management measures. The strategy ensures that all aspects of the system are tested effectively to meet quality standards and business requirements. Cloud gaming offers several benefits, including easy access to high-end games on low-spec devices, cost savings on hardware, seamless cross-platform play, automatic updates, and reduced piracy. However, it also comes with notable drawbacks such as dependence on a fast, stable internet connection, limited ownership of games, potential server downtime, restricted game customization, and occasionally reduced visual quality. Encryption is the process of converting information or data into a code to prevent unauthorized access. When data is encrypted, it is transformed using a special algorithm and a key so that only someone with the correct decryption key can read or use it. In the context of gaming, encryption helps protect personal data like usernames, passwords, payment information, and chat messages from hackers or unauthorized users. When sending or receiving an attachment with player names and scores, it is important to use a trusted platform, encrypt the file or protect it with a password, and scan it for malware. The sender should verify the recipient's details and avoid including unnecessary personal information. Using secure file formats and confirming the legitimacy of unexpected attachments also helps protect against data breaches and cyber threats. A satellite phone offers reliable communication by connecting through satellites rather than cell towers, making it ideal for emergencies and consistent contact with families. While it ensures global coverage and works independently of local infrastructure, it is expensive. Bulk direct changeover involves replacing the old system with a new one at a specific point in time, offering immediate benefits like cost savings, quicker adoption, and immediate access to new features. However, it carries high risks, including the potential for system failure without a backup, requiring extensive testing and training beforehand. The approach can lead to disruptions if the new system malfunctions. Direct changeover refers to switching from an old system to a new software system all at once, with no gradual transition. The benefits are immediate, means that as soon as the new system is fully implemented, the company can start experiencing its advantages, such as improved efficiency, better features, and enhanced performance, without delay or the need for a phased rollout. Devices that can be used to read data from optical storage media include CD-ROM drives for reading compact discs, DVD-ROM drives for accessing data on DVD discs, and Blu-ray drives for reading Blu-ray discs. Additionally, external optical drives connected via USB offer portable options for reading various disc formats. Game consoles like PlayStation and Xbox can read game data from optical discs, while media players such as DVD and Blu-ray players are used for playing video or audio content. Devices that read data from magnetic storage media include hard disk drives, HD disks, which access data from spinning magnetic platters, floppy disk drives, which read data from older magnetic floppy disks, magnetic tape drives, commonly used for data backup and archival, and magnetic stripe readers, which retrieve information from the magnetic stripe on cards like credit or debit cards. Devices that can be used to read data from solid-state storage media include solid-state drives SSDs, which are commonly used in modern computers for fast data access. USB flash drives, which are portable and widely used for transferring files. Memory cards such as SD cards and microSD cards, often used in cameras, smartphones, and other portable devices. And card readers, which allow computers to access data stored on memory cards. A network interface card NIC is a hardware component that enables a computer to connect to a network, such as a local area network LAN or the Internet. It facilitates the transmission and reception of data in the form of packets, assigns a unique MAC address for device identification, and supports communication protocols like Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The NIC plays a key role in determining the speed and efficiency of network communication. To connect Bluetooth headphones to a computer, first ensure Bluetooth is enabled on the computer. Put the headphones into pairing mode, usually by holding the power or Bluetooth button. Then, open the computer's Bluetooth settings, select Add a device, and choose the headphones from the list of available devices. Once paired, the headphones will be ready to use. To analyze the current computer system, the company needs to identify the hardware and software in use, system performance, user requirements, data management practices, network setup, security measures, and associated costs and maintenance. This helps in understanding the strengths, weaknesses, and areas that need improvement before replacing the system. The purpose of a system specification is to define the detailed requirements and features of the new system based on the analysis of the current system. It serves as a blueprint for the design and development of the new system, outlining the hardware, software, performance, security, and user requirements. The specification ensures that the new system meets the company's needs, provides clear guidance for developers, and helps in evaluating whether the system meets expectations once implemented. When developing software, it's crucial to consider factors such as user demographics, environment, and accessibility needs to ensure the software is suitable for the target audience. Key elements include understanding user expectations, cultural and language preferences, performance, security, and usability. Additionally, the software should be scalable, provide support and maintenance, and have a pricing model that aligns with the audience's financial capacity. To prevent software piracy, the company can use methods such as product key activation, digital rights management (DRM), and online license verification. Tying licenses to specific hardware requiring user accounts and offering cloud-based features can also help control unauthorized use. Regular updates, watermarking, and educating users about the legal and ethical risks of piracy further strengthen protection. Parents can control their children's use of the internet through a combination of technical tools and active involvement. They can use parental control software or built-in settings on devices to block inappropriate content, limit screen time, and monitor online activity. Setting up safe search filters and using child-friendly browsers can also help ensure safer browsing. Additionally, parents should talk to their children regularly about internet safety.